Navigating the world of investing can feel like trying to find your way through a dense fog. You hear whispers of returns and growth, but what does it all really mean for your money? And when a robo-advisor like StashAway enters the picture, promising to make things simple, the most important question is, what kind of returns can you actually expect? That's what we're here to talk about. We're not going to just throw a single number at you, because the reality is, there isn't one. The average return on StashAway is not a static figure, it's a dynamic range influenced by several key factors. Think of it like this: if you ask for the average temperature, it depends on whether you're talking about a scorching summer day or a crisp winter morning. The same principle applies here. StashAway offers different types of portfolios, and each one has a very different return profile. Let's start with their cash management solution, StashAway Simple. This isn't designed for aggressive growth, it's for money you want to keep liquid while earning more than a traditional bank savings account. Historically, StashAway Simple has offered a projected annual return in the range of 3% to 4%. For comparison, a typical fixed deposit might offer a little less than that, but a StashAway Simple portfolio is designed to be more flexible, with no lock-in period. So, for your short-term savings or emergency fund, it's a solid option for earning a better yield without taking on significant risk. Now, where things get interesting is with their general investing portfolios. This is where your risk tolerance comes into play. StashAway uses something called a risk level, which is a percentage that signifies the maximum potential loss in a given year with a 99% probability. The higher the risk level, the more you're allocating to equities and other higher growth assets, and the higher your potential returns and losses. For example, a low-risk portfolio with an 8% risk level might have seen an average annual return of around 2% to 3% since its inception. This portfolio is heavily weighted towards bonds and other conservative assets. But if you were to look at a high-risk portfolio, say at a 36% risk level, the historical annual returns could be in the range of 7% to 9%. This portfolio is much more exposed to the equity market and its potential for significant gains. It's crucial to understand that these are long-term annualized figures. The year-to-year performance can be highly volatile, as market conditions constantly change. For instance, in a strong market year like 2024, a high-risk portfolio might have delivered returns in the double digits, while a weaker year could see returns dip or even turn negative. The average return on StashAway is therefore the collective performance of all these different options, but it's not a number that helps you make a decision. The real question is, what is the right portfolio for you? That depends on your personal financial goals, your time horizon, and your comfort level with risk. So, the next time you hear someone ask about the average return on StashAway, you'll know the right answer is to ask a follow-up question: which portfolio are you talking about? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.